Ian Sangalang scored a game-high 20 points including a crucial three-point play in Game 5 of the PBA Governors Cup Finals won by Magnolia. Sangalang converted a three-point play off two misses by Alaska on the break, giving the Hotshots a 77-76 lead. Magnolia went on to win 79-78 on a game winner by Paul Lee with 1.6 seconds left in the contest. Sangalang deflected the credit of his crucial basket to his teammates as they made the critical layup possible, with Lee also able to hold his own during a 3-on-1 fast break play, leading to misses by Kevin Racal and Jake Pascual. Thankful ako sa teammates ko. Sila nag-trabaho sa kabilang court. Hindi sila nag-give up. Ako, kahit nandoon ako sa kabilang court, hindi ako bumaba. Sila yun. Hindi ako yun, said Sangalang. Friday was Sangalang's best game of the series as he hit 8 of 13 from the field. He also had 8 points in the second quarter as he picked up the slack for Romeo Travis, who struggled with 10 points, although he grabbed 17 boards. Sa series na 2-8 na yung pinakamagandang linaro ko. Thankful ako na nakapag-adjust ako today. Nakapag-adjust kami kung ano yung dapat naming gawin. Hindi lang ako yun. Yung teammates ko, okay rin. Nakapag-adjust kami sa role namin. Naging effective kaming ngayong game na 2, said Sangalang. If Friday was any indication, Game 6 will not be easy for Magnolia, and Sangalang definitely agrees as the series shifts to the Iners Center on Wednesday. Next game, Kalangan mag-focus kami. Kita mo naman yung game na yun. Hindi ganon kadali. Kalangan mag-focus kami kung ano Kalangan gawin. Kung ano ginagawa naman ngayon, gawin lang naman next game. Konting adjustment at wag lang kaming manggajal sa game, said Sangalang.